Hey y'all, who else have this situation? I mean, it's just ridiculous. Who else been waiting 7 months or even longer for your landlord or your maintenance? Do maintenance work. I mean, how hard is it? Yeah, you hear that sound? I've been dealing with that for 6 months. No. No. Only us will have that chirping sound. And yeah, it's high up. It is. But seriously? Seriously. Like, come on, man. You can't even have proper company because folks turn into your apartments and they be like, okay. They already somewhat leery because this is housing. See, I can't even talk. It overtalks me. I need you to be quiet. Seriously, quiet. I'm like, I can't even watch TV. I can't even get a good night rest because there's my bedroom right there. And it's right here. And I already showed you. I can't close my door because I have a shelving behind my door. And it's just ridiculous. It usually just chirp every now and then. It just, see, it's telling me to be quiet. No, you be quiet. I can't even talk. I can't even talk to y'all. Because it wants to overtalk me. Come on over here, y'all, and do y'all job. You get your rent. I need y'all to come fix some stuff. Please. Comment below. Who else have this issue? Because it's only us folks that have the chirping sound. You know. I'm just like, wow. No, you be quiet. I'm recording. It's ridiculous. I don't know how much more I can take, y'all. But anyway, it's just us. It's just us and our chirping sounds. Y'all have a good one. I'm going to try to have one good one too. Peace out.